Hello, I'm Monica Van Ittersum, and I teach English and history. I always knew that I wanted to be a teacher. I always loved the sense of helping people. I always loved, throughout even just my high school experience, assisting with writing essays, and I love the opportunity to be able to connect with people. I think that's one of the main things that I like about teaching is it's such a personable and connecting experience. In the classroom, a lot of the times learning can be very fast paced, and there's not always time for concepts to be wrestled with or concepts to settle. And the thing about tutoring, what I love about it is it slows the process down and you actually get to break things down with someone, talk things out. And that's where learning happens. Learning happens with reflecting, taking your time to understand the concepts. And in a traditional classroom, you don't always get the right support that you need. And I think that can inhibit a lot of student success. It's not that you're not successful, but you just haven't been given the right supports. The good teachers that stand out to me are the ones that were empathetic, that built trust and allowed me to ask questions that maybe I would be scared to ask in other classrooms, and creating a non-judgmental environment, because learning starts when you're asking those questions that you're scared to ask, and being able to ask things, be curious, and say things without fear is really important to the learning process. I would say beyond just academic success, I really want my students to be able to fall in love with learning again. I think students who have been in traditional classrooms and have had bad experiences in the classroom see it in a negative light. But really, in my sessions, I want students to be able to fall in love with learning again and not see it as an enemy.